G'day, I'm Grant from Aircon Solutions, and today I'm really excited to be showing you this real game changer that I think anyway. Historically, many of you have called me and say, can I put a Nest thermostat onto my Daikin unit or my Panasonic or Fujitsu or whatever brand you may have in your home. And historically I've said, no, I can't. I can't help you. That's it isn't suitable or compatible. But in recent months, I've been able to source and come up with solutions that's going to be something that's going to change this marketplace for us. Historically, we've had to put on a big control system that does multiple zones, which most of you don't need. You just wanting to replace your current thermostat or your unit thermostat with a smart thermostat that's able to control the unit. So I've now got a couple of different options that we can do. So one-to-one thermostat options where you don't need to put on a zoning system when you don't have zones. We can just put on a standard thermostat onto in this example, a Daikin. So at the moment we've got a Daikin controller sitting here. It's sitting on cooling, and I've actually hooked up this Nest thermostat to the wiring of it all. And so what we can do, we're just going to turn this now into heating. So you'll find this, and we'll wind up the temperature. We now see this goes red, and in a second you'll find this is just flicked to heating, and the unit's going to start up on heating. This is going to be able to change the way we do things and offer you more options when it comes to controlling your unit from different types of controllers. So if it be one thermostat or a full zone system, we are now able to offer you many more options on smart thermostats for you. If you want to find out more, feel free to give us a call on 1300 966 464, and we're more than happy if you click on the link below. If you fill out this form we've got for you, we can then do a free complimentary assessment of whether or not your system or your unit is going to be compatible with this new technology that we've got and able to offer you. Talk to you soon.